Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA NET paper first. जी हाँ, मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस पर हम बात करेंगे. सब सब्जेक्ट इज बेसिकली पीपल डेवलपमेंट एंड एनवायरनमेंट. जी हाँ, ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट है जो कि पेपर फर्स्ट में नेट में पूछा जाता है. दिस इज पार्ट 12 इन सीरीज. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चंस. Question number 1. The Great Indian Bustard Bird is found in. अगर आप कंपेयर करें, so here correct option is A, Thar Desert of Rajasthan. 2. The Sagar Manthan National Park has been established to preserve the ecosystem of which mountain peak? So Sagar Manthan normally it is associated with Mount Everest, so correct option is B. 3. Maximum soot is released from. Correct option is D, thermal power plants. 4th, surface ozone is produced from transport sector, cement plants, chemical or textile industry. No, not from cement industry or textile or chemical. It is always ट्रांसपोर्ट सेक्टर. सरफेस ओजोन की कहीं भी बात आए दिमाग में रख लेने की ज़रूरत है, ये ट्रांसपोर्ट सेक्टर से ही जो है ये एसोसिएटेड है. 5. Which is one of the following non-conventional energy sources can be exploited most economically? So जो भी ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं अगर उसमें कंपेयर करें, इट इज सोलर. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए. 6. The most recurring natural hazard in India is floods, obviously. So correct option is B. 7. Which one of the following is the oldest archival source of data in India? National Sample Surveys. So NSS. Correct option is A. Question number 8. Which is the smallest northeast state in India? Correct option is A. Tripura. 9. Tamil Nadu coastal belt has drinking water shortage due to A. High evaporation, B. Seawater flooding due to tsunami, C. Cover exploitation of groundwater by tube wells. 4th, D. Seepage of seawater. Correct option is D. Seepage of seawater. 10. While all rivers of peninsular India flow into the Bay of Bengal, Narmada and Tapti flow into the Arabian Sea because these two rivers, here correct option is A, follow the slope of these rift valleys. 11. Soils in the Mahanadi Delta are less fertile than those in the Godavari Delta because of. Correct option here is A, erosion of top soils by annual floods. 12. The maximum emission pollutants from fuel sources in India is caused by. जो भी ऑप्शंस यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं अगर आप कंपेयर करें, so it is coal. So correct option is A. 13. Parliament can legislate on matters listed in the state list. Correct option is D, at the request of 2 or more states. 14. The most significant impact of volcanic eruption has been felt in the form of change in weather. So here correct option is A. 15. Consider the following about the Himalayan orogeny. So here correct option is B. The orogeny began about 25 million years ago. Orogeny means actually the process of formation of mountains. 16. Which one of the following statement is true of braided streams? Correct option is B. Width of the channel is greater than its depth. 17. With the absorption and decomposition of CO2 in ocean water beyond desired level, there will be. Correct option is C. Growth of phytoplankton, a substance found in the surface of water. Plankton. So here it will be growth of phytoplankton. 18. The urbanization process accounts for the wind in the urban centers during nights to remain. Correct option is A, faster than that in rural areas. 90. Which of the following methods will you choose to prepare choropleth map of India showing urban density population? So your correct option is A, quartiles. 20. Which of the following methods is best suited to show on a map the types of crops being grown in a region? Choropleth. Correct option is A. 21. A ratio represents the relation between A, part and part, B, part and whole, C, whole and whole, or D, all. Here correct option is D, all. 22. Assertion का सवाल है ये, यहाँ पर assertion है aerosols have potential for modifying the climate. Region, aerosols interact with both short wave and infrared radiations. So here correct option is B, both A and R are true. लेकिन R सही explanation A का नहीं है. 23. Which of the following grows rapidly resulting in the shrinkage of water bodies? So obviously it is phytoplankton. ये क्वेश्चन कई बार इवन प्रीवियस वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स में भी आया हुआ है. Which species of chromium is toxic in water? That is chromium 3. So correct option is B, Cr plus 3. 25. Chemical compounds having same crystal structure are called. Correct option is C, isomorphic. 26. Metals having an atomic structure defined as continuous sheets of tetrahedrons sharing 3 oxygen atoms are called. Correct option is D, sorosilicate. 27. If the population growth follows a logistic curve, the maximum sustainable yield, correct option is A, is equal to half the carrying capacity. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.